Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I wanted to show you the kit that I'm going to be using for Sip and Stamp. It's going to be on Wednesday, the 16th of November, and it's going to be at 5 p.m. Arizona time. With the time change, it's actually going to be 4 p.m. Pacific, 7 p.m. Eastern. So we just get together, we do our crafts, but I've decided I'm going to start letting you know what crafts I'm going to be using. And for this month, I'm going to be using this kit here. It is called the, what is it? Something Remedy. The Best Remedy Kit. So it is adorable. It comes with the instructions. It's kind of like Paper Pumpkin, where it comes with instructions, but at least Paper Pumpkin's a surprise, right? Where here you order it and you know exactly what you're going to get. But just in case, I'm going to open it for you so you could see. And then let's go ahead and see what else is in here. We've got some sparkly fun sequins and some little flower sequins. It comes with a block. This comes with everything that you need. And what else does it have in here? It's got the sequins, the block, and some dimensionals. And then the ink that is in there is the Starry Sky. This is a great way to expand your inks as well. And this comes with the hearts there. We've got some yellow banners, some green banners. We've got some blue banners. We've got the white banners and Stampin' areas. It also comes with the glue dots. I always still like to have the Stampin' Seal on hand. I like to use the Stampin' Seal, my snips, a bone folder, and a take your pick tool. I would have that in all of my items. So, for any of my kits. It also comes with 3 pieces of this polished pink, it's a banner, but it's probably a layer. It has these little punch outs, the little bird, the mouse, and the skunk. And then it comes with the bases. We've got, this is one base, this is another base, and then this is the third base. And then it also comes with all of the envelopes that match as well. So this is the kit that I will be using, and I will show you the, hold on real quick, I'm just going to get this as a white piece. And then it comes with the stamps as well. A little birdie told me you were under the weather, feel better soon. I'm here for you. Sorry, life stinks sometimes. Well, that stinks. There's a little ice pouch, some flowers, some ice cream, and an ice cream cone. So this little skunk can be holding all of that. And then this one says, even though this stinks. And then this one says, ice cream is the best remedy for this. So, great little stamps, a fun way to expand your cards that are quick and easy. So I will be building this box. I will probably build all the cards that come in here, which is 9 cards, 9 envelopes. I may even do some alternatives and not follow the directions. So this is the kit. You can find them on my site. Actually, there's my site right here, jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net. And again, it's called The Best Remedy. And it's going to be what I use at Sip and Stamp, 5 p.m. Arizona time. That makes it 4 p.m. California time, 7 p.m. New York time. And then again, this is going to be on November 16th, which is a Wednesday. I hope to see you there. If you want more information, make sure you go to beautyandthestamper.com and sign up for my newsletter if you're not already getting that. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.